Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb app not updating. First, check your internet connection and make sure that the net is available or stable, as updates require a strong connection. Next, restart your phone and open the Google Play Store or App Store and then try updating the app again. Next, head over to your settings app and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and just make sure that the device has enough storage space. If storage is full, then the update may fail. On Android, you can clear the Play Store cache by going to settings app, selecting Play Store, typing storage and clearing cache. If the update still does not work, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Airbnb and download it again. Do not from the official app store only. That's how you fix the Airbnb app not updating. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.